Hello.
So this is my dad, and he's gonna help me prepare throughout the process. Hello, I am Feline Angela P. Paloma, a grade 6 pupil of St. Joseph College. And today, I will be preparing a one-day meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. For breakfast, I'm gonna prepare egg omelet. Egg is very nutritious and good for your health. So here are the ingredients that I prepared. So how can you help me to crack the egg?
You first crack the egg like this one, and then you prepare the pan.
Okay.
Okay, and then just try this one. Okay, that's it. Then you put some oil.
So we're
Okay.
gonna pour the oil.
Be careful. That's so. Then you put the
Longanisa.
the longanisa.
Yeah, longanisa because I love longanisa. So we're
Okay.
gonna put it. So now let's proceed to the lunch meal, which is tinolang manok. So here are the ingredients. We have ginger, spring onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, malunggay, sayote, and we have the chicken. We also have a little bit of salt here.
You bring it to boil, and then you just cover first.
So we're
and
gonna
let-
boil this for a
Yeah.
few minutes.
And then
Yeah, we're gonna wait for a few minutes, people. So let me check if it's boiling already. Oh, it's boiling.
okay, so
Okay.
add the
So now we're gonna add the chicken.
slowly you put
So we're gonna
chicken.
put chicken. So since it's already been 15 minutes, now we're gonna add the sayote.
Okay. No, you just put that one. Okay. Yeah,
Oh,
be careful.
yeah. So I'm gonna taste it because yeah.
You taste it. See, it's ready. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
The meat is already tender.
Okay, so you add
So we're
The
gonna add the malunggay.
You,
Now you may proceed to the last meal, which is chop suey. We have the ingredients.
okay, the
We
ingredients.
have onion,
Garlic.
We have tomato, carrots, sayote, bell peppers, cabbage, and string beans. And we're gonna use chicken instead of pork.
So you check now.
We're gonna shrink.
You put the cover here. Use the cover. Okay.
Okay, so the meat is tender, y'all.
Okay, so you add
So we're gonna
The
add the
sayote.
sayote.
okay.
So let me add salt and pepper to taste. To make it more nutritious, I'm gonna add a little bit of evaporated milk. Ooh, it smells so good, y'all. It smells so yummy. For breakfast, we have omelette, apple, and my chocolate milk so that it can boost my energy throughout the day. Next, for lunch, we have my tinolang manok with grapes and orange juice to freshen up my meal. Lastly, we have chop suey for dinner. We also have watermelon and my milk for me to have a good sleep. So that was it. Thank you all so much, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye!